Hot dog is a dish consisting of grilled, steamed, or boiled sausages served in the slit of highly sliced bun with toppings of your choice. Well, come with me and let's make this quick fix breakfast. Treat yourself at home with this easy to make and simple, delicious hot dog with minimal ingredients and enjoy with your loved ones. To make these super delicious hot dogs, you need to have some hot dog sausages. This is Danish pork hot dog. I will start by prepping my onions. I will thinly slice them. Hey beautiful family, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. And if you come across my video for the first time, you are much welcome. Watch the video up to the end. This is home where delicious meals made easy with minimal ingredient. If you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing. Hit that like button to support my channel. Let's better our cooking skills together and make our kitchen great again. Once done, I like to separate my onions. This is optional. Then I'm going to fry them in a pan, adding oil, just a little oil to caramelize the onions. After your oil has become hot, add in the onions, your finely sliced onions. Stir it a little and let it sit there for 1 minute. Once it has sweat, I will go in with my crushed garlic. And stir it to mix well. Watch out, the onions should not burn. We want it soft and nice. I will go in with soy sauce, that is 2 tablespoons, and some spices, black pepper and cayenne pepper. That is optional. If you don't like it hot, just omit the chili. And stir it to mix well. At this point, make sure your stove is off because it's done already. It should be a little bit juicy, not too dry. This is the fillings we're gonna use on the buns when assembling the hot dogs. So just set it aside. Thereafter, I'm going to cook my hot dog sausages. I'm going to use air fryer, but you can use any method you want. These are the ones I'm going to use. I'll use 4. I'm going to place them in my air fryer basket. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and watch the video up to the end. I will air fry it in a temperature of 180 degree for 5 minutes. My hot dog is ready. I'm just going to remove them from the air fryer and place them in a plate. It's well done. It's looking lovely. The color is beautiful. Thereafter, I'm going to assemble them in my fresh baked hot dog buns. I've shared a video. I will share the link below. Just in case you haven't watched it, you can go and watch how I baked these soft hot dog buns. So I'm going to slit the top and I'm going in with my caramelized onions. These are fillings. Then add in this hot dog sausage. Then I'll top up with chili. I love it hot. If you have been in this channel long enough, you will know I love chili, and that is optional. And then I'm going in with the ketchup. Any of these toppings are optional. You can use any of your choice. Then I'll crown it with mustard yellow. And there you go. We have a beautiful hot dog here. Very simple and easy to make. After watching this recipe, I hope you are going to stop buying your hot dogs from the fast food stores. Grab this recipe and treat yourself at home with these easy to make delicious hot dogs. And if you try it, don't forget to bring back your feedback. This is a quick fix for breakfast, but you can also serve it at lunch along with the French fries. It's a very simple recipe, as you can see, with minimal ingredient. Anybody can try it. Thanks for watching my video up to this point. I feel honored for being with you this long, and it was nice having you around. And I hope you've liked this video. And for those who have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. For more recipes like this, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified wherever I upload a new video. Thank you once more and see you in my next. Bye bye.